Alt-R. This meeting is being recorded. Edit.
Hi, this is Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to go over how you can do a Venn diagram using a screen reader. Let's go ahead and start at the top of the page.
Venn diagram accessible.
Okay.
Control-Shift-O to all objects. Escape when done writing. Select object, then tab through all objects to access A, B, and other combo letters.
Okay, that's a lot of words, so let me show you what that actually means. I'm going to Control-Shift-O, and I'm going to find the first circle, which says A. I'm going to hit enter on that, and I'm just going to start typing. Here we go.
B, C graphic, inline objects dialog, list 1, list view, A, 4.45 inches, Y, enter, A, 4.38, is, A. Okay, and you can immediately start typing your information. I'm going to go ahead and escape out of that. And actually, I can't keep going back to my objects, but I want to show you a trick. You can hit escape and immediately just escape one time and then immediately start tabbing to your other boxes. Escape. Selected B colon B colon B graphic
Okay.
B text box.
Just start typing.
Selected a comma B comma C A comma B comma C colon text box.
Yep.
Selected B comma C colon layout options text. Selected a comma C colon A. Selected a comma B colon text box.
Okay.
Escape.
So, and you just have to remember, as soon as you hear the letters, you hit enter and start typing. You escape one time and tab to the next box. You can also, of course, use Control-Shift-O, but it is that easy. And of course, you can use your object holder Control-Shift-O again in order to go back to edit as you need to. And that is how easy Venn diagrams are used with accessible screen readers. You can find this Venn diagram on the website yourtechvision.com if you need to download a copy for yourself. Okay, hope that helps.
Zoom. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Zoom. Alt Q. End meeting for